Well, as you guys can see, it's still pretty snowy. I think it's about, well, it's thick. It's really thick. I don't know if I can even get out of here. We'll give it a quick try. Uh-oh. Nope, we're spinning. Yeah, oh, we're moving. We're spinning, but we're moving. Oh, oh. Oh. Drifting. Oh. It's fun. I love snow. Oh, we'll take a run at the... Oh, there's no way to get traction in this. There is just no way to get traction. The scooter only wants to go sideways. Oh, there we go. Ooh. It doesn't really want to do donuts. Snow's too deep for donuts. I love the sound of those Marini engines, by the way. They really sound amazing. Whoa, sideways again. Ooh. My shoes are already filled with snow. These roads have been cleaned a little. That's why I took this exit. My own street is still as snowy as can be. Oh, this won't be that slippery, I think. No, it's not that slippery. Yeah. We can go for a quick tour through my slushy. That's what I hate about the snow, the slushy stuff. I mean, I don't care about the actual snow, but just the slush, slurry. Hasn't run in 15 years. Huh. Oh, my brakes are terrible. Not that that really matters in this weather, but... I have to watch out with cars. I'll go that way. Ooh, slippery. See, this is my street. It's still snowy as fuck. Gotta adjust my mirror a bit. But this is drivable. It is drivable. Let's slip out. Woo! That's really funny. I love driving in the snow. It really does surprisingly well, actually. Zwaar aan mijn handen, jongen. Wow, wee. That's really funny. zijn. Oké. Drifting around is so much fun. No! Ik ga die kant op. Je kunt gewoon grip creëren. En krijgt er wel steeds moeilijker mee. Gewoon een klapje op de bek, ja. Oeh, dat is in mijn voorwiel. Het is wel een beetje warm nou. Hij heeft er niet zo heel veel zin in. Hij is een beetje warm. Can we get it across the field? Sure we can. Keep powering on. Yeah. It's overheating. It's overheating. It's seriously overheating. We're gonna take it home slow now, because we do want another go at this later. Oh. Or it's just the gas sticking, but I think it's gonna let it cool down. Spin out. Let this machine cool down. Whew. That was a hell of a lot of fun. It really was. So